Wow.
Almost at totality.
I'm totally excited. Look at the trees. Maybe we need to play or something.
Definitely feels cooler.
La, 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 la.
It's 1:45. 4 minutes.
The people go there? Can you stand up now? Or just listen there? New Year's Eve to celebrate. The bird. Oh wow! Oh my gosh! The bird. The cloud went in front of it.
3 minutes.
Shadow band and horizon
Wow.
video cameras.
The birds are so noisy.
So this is where we'll start to watch for shadow bands. This is where you might want to sit and just look at the ground because you're gonna see, I can see them.
You can see what? Oh yeah, Mom.
Oh no, those are clouds.
Oh damn!
Dang clouds.
You got me good.
You might want to just bring your chair. You don't have to get up that far. You can just sit up right by your chair. I don't want you falling over if you're kind
Where
of
do you want
all
your chair?
giggly.
You want it by Dad? Don't know.
It'll be dark. Just pull her chair out from under the shade of the tree so she can actually see.
Not in front of anything. No, did I say you're in front of anything? I don't know. No. But I was going to say, you could just set your hand after this video too.
Second contact in 2 minutes. Observe for shadow bands.
Now I see the shadow bands. Or is that, no, there's no clouds. They're very faint, but it's like wavy shadows.
I see it. The shadow?
Yeah, see how it's kind of moving like fans?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are the shadow bands.
90 seconds. Observe for shadow bands.
Wow.
Shadow bands, yeah, you can see them. Look at them, wow.
I'm getting them, Dad.
You getting video of the shadow bands?
Yes.
Excellent. This is getting real cool right now. We're going to have diamond rings soon. I got my filter off.
60 seconds. Observe for shadow bands.
I hear people. Wow, it's getting dark.
Diamond ring.
Wow.
40 seconds. Observe umbra approach.
Wow.
30 seconds. Hands on camera filters.
Wow. You'll be able to look. Wow.
20. Remove camera filters. 15. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Glasses off. Glasses off.
Mom, you can look now. Look right up. I can look now? I can look up? Without glasses, yes. Can you take a picture of that?
Observe for
Yes.
planets and stars.
See the stars?
Yeah.
You don't want to stare at it forever, but you can certainly
I
look
want
at
to yell
it.
like, woo! No, that was cool. See, they just said, oh, wow. What's wrong, Katie? This is exciting. Wow.
fireworks and guns. Probably should have planned where I put that lens before
I see a plane. Need help?
padded lens. Where did it go? Under there.
Oh, you got it, okay.
I didn't get any wide angle shots last time.
Wow, the stars.
Yeah.
It's currently 150. Can you videotape it?
Yes, you can do whatever you want with your phone.
Seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Halfway.
Observe the horizon.
I'm going live. Currently in Royal, Arkansas, right near Hot Springs. Oh, cool. Wow. Very beautiful. The best thing. 2024. Arkansas. It's family.
Wow. Not dark enough to see the comet.
Currently in Hot Springs, Arkansas.
Third contact in 20 seconds.
20 seconds, get ready for your glasses to go back on.
15. 10. Get your glasses. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Glasses on. Glasses on. Glasses on. Plus 10 seconds. Plus 15. Replace camera filters. Plus 25. Observe for shadow bands.
Very cool.
Plus 45. Observe umbra exit.
So this is if you're up on a mountain, you can see the shadow moving by.
Look at the little.
Plus 60. Enjoy the partial phase phenomena in reverse order. Next notification is fourth contact.
Sammy! He's good. What happened with he died.
Ooh.
Well, he was watching you online.
Wow. What did you think, Miriam?
It's awesome. Did you take a video when it was going out? Because it was cool. I'm gonna show you guys some guys. But it was like. Let's see. it's kind of cool that solar eclipse app.
Yeah.
There's totality mode. Ready? Yeah. Oh, that's cool. It takes like 5 of them in a row.
Let's do a selfie.
What?
You want me to selfie?
When it like shows, it's so cool.